Shalom, welcome to Hebron, Ira Kodesh, the holy city of the fathers. We're here on the second to the last night of Selichot before Rosh Hashanah. And you can see there's a lot of excitement and action going on. If you want to take a little shot here. So you can see a lot of action here. It's about 1 in the morning, and it's been going on a couple hours. And Selichot, is preparation for the Day of Judgment. And it's like you prepare yourself by court by saying you're sorry. When we have lawyers like Avraham, Yitzhak, and Yaakov, and Sarah, Rivka, Rachel, and Leah, they're good lawyers. They know how to deal with the judge. So we're looking forward to Rosh Hashanah with joy, with an opportunity to begin again with Hashem, to look forward to this year. Rosh Hashanah is about looking into the new year. Yom Kippur is about letting go of the old year. And of course, it's all happening in the now. So enjoy a little bit, and I bless you all to come here to Israel, to Hebron.